Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to restart Instagram app on our phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to restart your Instagram app on the phone, we'll be required to open the settings of our phone, not the Instagram app itself. So open the settings, and on this interface scroll down until you can find the apps option available for us over here, guys. Just below the battery, tap on apps, and after that tap on the app management option available for us at the top of the list. And over here again you can see the search bar appear at the top of the screen. Tap on it and search for Instagram and open it on this list where you will be on this interface. And in order to proceed to restart your Instagram app, guys, you can see there is the force stop button available for us. In order to restart your app, guys, tap on the force stop button over here and again tap on force stop. Then your Instagram app will be force stopped, and if you open your Instagram next time, it will be restarted from the first. And with that being said, guys, this is how to restart Instagram app on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.